Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Amazon account. So if you're someone that is considering deleting your Amazon account, you can do it in a few simple and easy steps. This can be useful if you're looking to reduce online subscriptions, protect your personal data, or even consolidate accounts for your business or personal use. Do so. Log on to your Amazon account, and once you do, on your top right, you're going to click on your account section. This is the same place you would normally go to view orders or manage your payment methods. So just click on your account on the top, and then click on your account like this. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down, and once you scroll down, you will find this. The section on the bottom left called Manage Your Data. This section is designed to give you control over your information, including the ability to review what Amazon has stored about your activity, purchases, and subscriptions. Within this section, you have the option to close your Amazon account. Click on this, and once you do, make sure to read everything carefully. You will see all of your Amazon profiles listed, including Amazon Seller Central, Business Associates, Flex, Prime Pay, gift cards, Comixology, Whole Foods, and more. This is important to understand because deleting your account will remove access to all these services, including any funds and gift cards, seller balances, or ongoing subscriptions. For example, if you run a small Shopify store and also sell on Amazon Seller Central, closing your account will affect your seller dashboard and any pending payments. Next, you're going to proceed by choosing your reason for closing the account. This step helps Amazon understand why people leave, and it can sometimes trigger helpful options like pausing your account instead of deleting it outright. Once you've selected your reason, click on Close My Account to complete the deletion. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Deleting an account might feel intimidating at first, but following these steps ensures you don't miss any important details or lose access to connected services. If you did find this helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials on managing online accounts and optimizing your business tools.